Oh yes, Godzilla 70th edition is out. How cool is this, guys? Let's talk about this.
Hey everybody,
beauty.
It's George Gomez at Stern Pinball. And today I'm going to show you around a very special new premium.
All right, George Gomez, we love you, buddy. So George, oh wait.
Model got
like this. Now he looks like a sweetheart. Okay, George just uploaded this video. Stern uploaded this video an hour ago. People are going crazy. Links everywhere on YouTube. The 70th black and white edition of Godzilla premium version is out. Let's listen to what Mr. George Gomez is saying and let's talk about the details, right? So, Georgie, here we go.
Godzilla. This is our 70th anniversary tribute to the King of Monsters.
Wow, look at that cabinet.
Godzilla was born in black and white.
Right.
So it's only fitting that we honor that legacy with this.
I mean, look at this beauty, man. Look at this beauty. It has got protectors around the flippers, just like on the limited edition. I love it.
Striking colorway. The cabinet decals are rendered in brushed metallic foil.
Brushed metallic foil, just like on the limited edition. I love it. They also have this on Iron Maiden limited edition. Yeah, on this Godzilla limited edition. And that mirroring effect, it looks astonishing. Now, the premium version has it. Wow, man.
In order to highlight Mechagodzilla's armor.
All right.
You may remember that we first used this material way back on the Iron Man vault.
Okay.
It really lends itself.
It doesn't have that insider lit up thing that the newer games has. That light, I don't remember its name, but it could be cool if it was included here. Or some sort of art or mirror blades, that could be cool.
Itself to themes that feature metal surfaces.
Look at that metal, man. I love it. It looks so... I love it.
The Playfield follows the black...
Here we go. The Playfield, black and white. Just like they did the... what was the other game called? Elvira Black and White, which is a beautiful game. People loves it. Personally, I think no pinball machine should ever be black and white. It's just nothing for me. It's so boring. I personally love vibrant colors, but I think I'm the only one in the world that feels like that. This black and white is very popular, so I'm that one person in the world that feels like that. It is what it is. So here you can see this is how the Playfield looks, and look at the Mechagodzilla and Godzilla. They are in black and white, gray also.
Red theme throughout, including custom gray versions of
Godzilla's gray. Look at the buildings at the background. I mean, look at that butterfly, something he's called. Perfect, man. Look at that magnet. It doesn't have the plastic on top because they always break. So this is a newer, updated version. Wait, I'm gonna get into that. Just
Godzilla,
wait.
matching plastics and decals.
Yes.
It's truly stunning in person. We've also updated the splash screen with black and white graphics. Your choice.
That's nice.
Of course, settable in the menus. Both.
All right, okay, that's cool.
This 70th anniversary premium and the original full color premium model are available at our current premium model pricing. And
did you hear that? Did you guys hear that? So my agenda for 2024 is all new in-box games should cost under $10,000. That's it. Keep them under 10K because you know how the market is. If you pay more than that, and you unbox your game, it will lose value. It's not something I'm saying, it's just what I'm seeing out there. So, this game will cost just like the normal premium versions. But this game has got some more stuff in it than the original premium. Right now, Stern Premium MSRP for the colored one and non-colored one, $9,699. If you know people, you can get it cheaper. If you know people, you can get it with free shipping. Cool pricing.
And like all of our premiums, they will stay in production as long as there's demand.
There we go. It's not limited. It's just a premium. And they will build them for the upcoming 5 years. Cool.
This new 70th anniversary premium will also have a full line of matching accessories.
Oh, that's nice.
including the topper, art blades, and all the rest.
Okay, so we will get topper and art blade. We will get everything as an extra, and it will be in black and white. Okay. New artwork or just the same in black and white? Why don't we get that?
But
here?
wait, as they say, there's more.
Oh, yes.
To extend the celebration, we will
Yes.
be releasing a new King of Monsters challenge mode available
cool.
to all Godzillas.
That's cool.
So whether you choose the 70th
To all Godzilla owners, a new mode will come. Nice.
anniversary black and white,
Look at this, man. Look at this game. It's my favorite pinball machine. None other pinball is as good as this one. I love shooting that orbit ram and that big ram and swirly ram exits. Oh my god, this game is so cool. I love it. My favorite designer and his best designed game and the best coded game. Wow, it's just best of the best of the best. Now with losing colors.
or the full color premium, be assured you'll
Who's gonna buy the full color premium now?
own a pinball masterpiece.
Wow. Okay, guys. So this game, just short. So we have very few game summer 2024 that holds their value. Jurassic Park did cost like $17,000 to $19,000 until they released the 30th edition for $13,000, and now the LEs has just, they don't cost that. They're cheaper than that. So Jurassic Park, no way. Elvira was expensive, and they came out with black and white edition. Just before the black and white edition, you can get the 40th version for like $20,000 or $25,000. I don't remember it now. But then the black and white came for $13,000, and all the other prices crashed down. So Godzilla, I think Godzilla is one of the maybe it's the only game where the limited edition costs like $16,000 on the used market today. It's a 3.5 years old game with thousands and thousands of plays on it. After today, those LEs lost their value. Nobody's gonna pay you $16,000-17,000 for your Godzilla LE now. No one! Because they can go out for $9,000, buy a brand new game, 0 plays, with the same playfield layout, with the same awesome code, and with a newer code. The choice between black and white screen and colored screen. Protectors at the flippers on the armor, real nice. And that mirror effect, just like the LE version on the cabinet, real nice. Everything for $9,000 instead of $16,000-15,000. LE owners, rest in peace. That value is done. Other people, this is so awesome. Why should you go out and buy an LE on the used market when you can get a brand new game for about $9,000 today? Isn't this cool? And if you like this black and white stuff, then this game is for you. I mean, I think, yeah, we're watching on the screen right now, but I think when you see it, the real deal, just like Elvira. When people saw Elvira, what's it called? Black and white edition, the real deal, they just went bonkers. So beautiful. Maybe a guy like me that doesn't want black and white, maybe when I see this game in real life, maybe I would fall in love. But from now on, LE, you're done. I mean, Stern wanted to make this as an LE game, a limited game, sell them for like $13,000 or $15,000. You know how people went apeshit on Facebook about this. So, George Gomez, Stern, they have been listening to the mob, but I think they should just make a limited version. It could be cooler if you ask me. But now, about $9,000, you will get this beautiful, beautiful pin. Awesomeness, pure awesomeness. Thank you, Stern. I wish you the best of luck for selling these games. It is an LE, man. It is an LE. Come on, who are you fooling? Have a great day out there, guys. RETROCENGO out.